Hey guys, Chef Red Beard here with another recipe for you guys. This is a spring summer salad. Of course you can have it in the fall, you can have it in the winter, but what better time to have some fresh, ripe cherry tomatoes, avocados, cucumber. Nothing screams spring, summer like this quick salad here. This is a tomato, avocado, and cucumber salad. It's going to be really good, really simple. First, we're going to start with a salad dressing. It's a very simple shake salad dressing. We have some extra virgin olive oil. It's going to be 2-to-1 olive oil to acid. We're going to use some apple cider vinegar. To the apple cider vinegar, a little salt and pepper. This is to taste, so once we mix the dressing, you're going to go back and taste it. You may need to add salt and pepper to the salad in the end. Some lemon. The market had some pink lemons, pink lemonade, pink lemons. Has a slightly pink hue to the flesh. A little sweeter than a traditional lemon, so this will definitely benefit us in our salad, but it still has that acidity that you need. Acidity. That's what I meant. So we're going to do 1 lemon juiced, and I've already removed the seeds with my knife, so we don't have to worry about that. Now, to bring some brightness, some freshness, some green to this tomato salad, we're going to use an herb, and the herb of choice today is fresh dill. This is a very bright and green herb. It lends really well to vegetables, especially those with a lot of natural sugars like the tomato we'll be using. So here is a tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of just some chopped dill. Simple salad dressing. Give this a shake. Now, just gonna let that set. Cucumbers. These are some Persian cucumbers. They're much smaller. They retain less water. The seeds are much smaller. So this isn't gonna ooze out and be a extremely liquidy salad. This will be something you can make overnight, make in the morning, carry with you throughout your day for lunch. This is definitely a salad or a small meal that you can use on any of our full body cleanses, the Dherbs cleanse. So for these cucumbers, you can cut them in circles if you like. As you can see, a smaller cucumber is going to give you a smaller yield. So I would like to cut this on an angle or even cut them in half. So I'll cut them in half lengthwise, removing the ends. Get back here. Let's do this quick work really quick. And again, using a sharp knife. This is a vegetable knife. It's straight like a box razor. So it doesn't have that actual hinge for that rocking because we're just making slices. Cut these in half lengthwise. And then we're going to cut on an angle. So once we have them lengthwise, you can lay them out straight. Just going to turn your knife about 90 degrees and just make some long slits. And this is kind of the cut that we're looking for, these angled cucumber pieces. So I'm just going to chop the rest of our cucumbers. As you can see, my knife is not leaving the cutting board. There's no chopping. These are just long strokes of the knife against the cutting board, straight through the cucumber. So let's remove our trash. And we can put our cucumbers into a bowl. Next to our cucumbers, I have some cherry tomatoes. These are heirloom tomatoes. You can find these in your grocery store or farmer's market. They come whole. So all I've done is made random cuts, cut them lengthwise, cut them in half, just to give you different textures. The mouthfeel when you eat this salad, the tomatoes are gonna pop. They all have different sweetness and textures, and the colors you eat with your eyes. So this is a very visually bright, beautiful salad. Just gonna mix those with our cucumbers. Here I have some thinly sliced red onion. This is optional, but the onion is going to add allium effect to it. Allium is those onion, like that green onion, that spring onion, that slight heat, but that missing flavor. Red onions would be really good. So here I have a medium red onion And you can kind of just eyeball it, how much you'll need for your salad. And I think that looks, maybe that looks good. Lastly, to this cucumber tomato salad, it's avocado. We have some ripe avocado here that has just been, the core has been removed, the big seed, and it has been diced. Just gonna add this to our bowl. And lastly, our salad dressing. Give it a quick shake, make sure it stays all together. And we're gonna pour this over top. Give this a nice mix to get this all incorporated. This will be ready to serve immediately, or you can return it to the refrigerator for up to an hour just to get it cold. Let those flavors meld. But this salad is delicious. Contrary to popular belief, taste your food. Have multiple spoons, as you can see here. It's my mixing spoon. This is my personal tasting spoon. Before you serve anything to your guests, that's delicious. You just want to make sure that the flavor profile is there. You're giving something of yourself to your guests, to yourself. You want to make sure it tastes good. Not that it just looks good, but that it tastes good. And this tastes delicious. So let's plate it up. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So again, this is our quick summer salad or spring salad. This is a tomato, cucumber, and avocado salad. If you like this recipe and would like to see more quick recipes, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon in the corner. And follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef Redbeard. It smells so good. See you guys.